So good morning, Dr. Praveen and Belinda Irvine Nasir.
Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
So what were you very much concerned about with regards to Belinda's teeth that made you search for a dental intervention?
Yeah. Belinda actually started having this mouth breathing issues. She started having teeth grinding, especially at bedtime in the night. She was also having a open mouth all the time. So it was, I think, around 7 years of age. Now she's 8 years. Maybe around 7 years of age, we started noticing all this obvious signs of teeth coming out, the upper jaw teeth coming out. So that caught our attention and concern. So
And
that is
how
why
did you get to know about BioBrace?
Myobrace. I think my wife, Dr. Praita, who's an orthodontist, she was getting to know through, I think, online education stuff where Myobrace was mentioned here and there, and I think her college junior, Dr. Shifa Arshad, who is the initiator of this treatment, who is the primary doctor of Belinda now, she happens to be my wife's acquaintance through Facebook. So one of her Facebook posts showed that there is a treatment available, like a Myobrace treatment. So when she came to know through the Facebook post, she got in touch with Dr. Arshad, Shifa Arshad, and then she initiated the treatment for my daughter.
So when did you start this treatment exactly?
I think it was in November or say December 2017. Um, that is when we seriously started communicating with Dr. Shifa Arshad back in Coimbatore. We live in Bahrain, so it was through WhatsApp and Facebook, and then she told there is a possibility of Skype consultation and all the newer modalities of communication. We used IMO, WhatsApp, and all this stuff. And then initially she sent us a Myobrace, which we started using, and then subsequently we went for direct visits to Coimbatore. This is how we initiated the Myobrace treatment for Belinda.
Now after 10 months of treatment, what are changes are you able to appreciate?
We were able to see the evident changes in her, like the teeth going in, the exercises started affecting her tongue position in a normal way. So these changes we started seeing right from 1 month, but then at 3 months it was quite evident. I was a little skeptical about this treatment, even though being a pediatrician, even though in the medical field, I was a little concerned whether it is really needed, whether the nature will do its you know own course of alignment to the teeth and those stuff. But I was a little concerned in initiating, and but anyway, the treatment course within 3 months it showed us a very good benefit, and that really convinced me. So that is how it happened.
Did she experience any difficulty during the treatment?
No, not really. In fact, she took it very easier than I thought about it. In fact, I was wondering whether she will suffocate in the night, especially when you strap her Myobrace inside with some masking tape or something. But she took it very lightly. She was very, very cooperative. I should say that Belinda was such a wonderful patient. She did all the exercises meticulously as prescribed by the doctor. In fact, I should say about Dr. Sri Lakshmi here, who is her personal doctor, even though Dr. Shifa Arshad is the initiator. Dr. Sri Lakshmi was her own personal doctor. She was so encouraging, very meticulous in coming for the Skype consultations. So once fell into the groove of the treatment, Belinda didn't find any difficulty. In fact, initially there were small difficulties, like when the teeth started moving, she started feeling that kind of a pain or or some kind of a discomfort in the tooth which is moving inside. That was only for 1 or 2 days, and then she felt all right with that.
So now, in terms of upper arch expansion, the forward positioning of the lower jaw, in terms of the correct tongue positioning, has all these changes reached your expectations?
Yes, definitely. Yes, definitely. We had seen very good improvement. In fact, we are encouraged to continue the treatment for her to prevent the relapse. She is doing great, and we are very, very, very happy with the treatment. Thanks to the whole team for that, especially for Dr. Shifa Arshad and Dr. Srilakshmi.
As a pediatrician yourself and your wife being an orthodontist, why didn't you think of the traditional orthodontic options available?
Yeah, traditional orthodontic options, as per my own knowledge, as well as my wife being in the field, she's an orthodontist. So we know it can be initiated once the child reaches around 11 or 12 only. So we want to do something before, so that she will also correct her habits, like her mouth breathing habits can be changed, her tongue position, which will actually impact her on a long term, which is what we aimed at, and that has perfectly fallen into place with this particular MyoBrace treatment, which we are very, very, very happy about. So our treatment goal is this, and Belinda is almost 75% across it, and I hope the rest of the treatment will also be good enough to have a good future for her. And Belinda and me and the whole family is very grateful for the whole team of Dr. Shifa Arshad, Dr. Sri Lakshmi, and the nurses over there. And that is it. We are very happy. We are very happy and very grateful to the whole team. Belinda now can show how she places the MyoBrace inside her mouth, and how easily she does it. With a lot of ease, she does it. Please show, Belinda. So you can see how nicely she is putting the MyoBrace inside, and her lips are like snugly tight and closed. So this is how she does it. And in the night we help her with a bit of masking tape to secure the appliance inside, which doesn't go without her knowledge. So that is it. Okay. Hello. Bye bye. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Dr. Shifa and the whole team. Thank you.